Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can make money fast in Graveyard Keeper, okay? Now you basically need silver for everything in this game, okay? From upgrading your tools, to buying seeds, anything pretty much, okay? So if your pockets are empty, you're not gonna be able to do anything. So I'm gonna show you a couple of methods in which you're gonna be able to actually get some money fast. First of all, guys, you need to farm your burial certificates, okay? So this is gonna be your bread and butter. So every time you bury a corpse in your graveyard, as you can see in here, in my graveyard, you're gonna get like a burial certificate. So just take this one to Horadric at the Dead Horse Tavern, okay? And he's gonna buy one for you, okay? They're gonna give you 1 silver and 50 coppers each. So do not just throw bodies in the river, okay? Even if a corpse has cerebral like red skulls, burn it at the crematorium to get soul, ash, and a burial certificate. You also have your blacksmith hassle, okay? The blacksmith is one of the easiest benders to level up. So you can just mine like large iron, one deposit, and chop wood. And that's gonna give you like a lot of silver. So you can turn the wood into firewood or coal, or you can smelt the ore into iron bars, okay? So just do this. And finally, what you can do is you can bake and sell. This is wheat, okay? This is related to wheat, basically. And wheat is incredibly cheap to grow, so you can just buy your wheat seeds from the farmer, you can just grow them, and you can process the wheat into flour. And then you're gonna be able to like use your kitchen to bake massive batches of bread and muffins, okay? And you can take these baked goods straight to Horadric, which again is in the basically like the Dead Horse Tavern, and you can sell that food. And that's gonna give you a lot of gold. It's gonna give you some passive income while you wait for the donkey to deliver more corsets, okay, which is always gonna appear in this area. So that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.